Hi, I'm Justin Conway. I'm an Excel expert, and I'm going to walk you through the steps necessary to perform a custom sort. The first thing that you'll need to do is locate the cells that you'd like to sort. If you're a teacher and you have a grade book and you'd like to find your 3 favorite students according to grades, you would highlight all of your students by selecting the first cell in the listing and the last cell, and before you click the last cell, hold down Shift. That will select everything in between. Another way to do this is to simply click on the first row and drag your mouse or cursor down all the way to the bottom. It'll highlight the entire row. You want to make sure that all of the rows are highlighted. Then you can go into Data, Sort, and this is where you'll have your options to create a custom sort. You want to sort by and select the cell that you'd like the highest scoring student at the top. That's how to create a custom sort in Excel. I'm Justin Conway. Thanks.